You're about to embark on a journey of discovery, learning the secrets of how to earn online without a single penny of investment. This knowledge, once revealed, can be life-changing, opening doors to financial freedom and flexibility you may not have realized were possible. Here's a common misconception. Earning online without investment is a piece of cake. The reality, however, is far from it. It requires dedication, patience, and most crucially, a strategic approach. One mistake many individuals make when attempting to earn online without investment is falling into the trap of get-rich-quick schemes. These schemes often promise instant wealth with minimal effort, but in reality, they are usually scams designed to part you from your hard-earned cash. The key to avoiding this pitfall is being skeptical of any opportunity that sounds too good to be true, because most of the time it is. Another common blunder is neglecting to do thorough research. A lack of proper understanding of the online platform or the job in question can lead to frustration, wasted time, and even loss of potential earnings. It's essential to spend time learning about the platform or job, understanding its ins and outs before diving in headfirst. The third mistake people often make is not diversifying their online earning streams. Relying on one source of income can be risky. If that source fails, you're left with nothing. Diversifying your income streams not only mitigates this risk, but also opens up more opportunities for earning. Lastly, many people fail to treat their online earning endeavors as a business. Just because you're not investing money doesn't mean you shouldn't invest your time and effort professionally. Treating it as a serious business means setting goals, planning, and being consistent with your efforts. Now, let's summarize the key points we've discussed. First, steer clear of get-rich-quick schemes. If an opportunity sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Second, do your homework. Understand the platform or job thoroughly before you start. Third, diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, explore multiple avenues for online earning. And finally, treat your online earning efforts as a business. Invest time and effort professionally. Set goals, make plans, and be consistent. Armed with this knowledge, you are now equipped to navigate the world of online earning without investment. Remember, the road to success may not be easy, but with patience, determination, and a strategic approach, you can certainly make it. Happy earning!